Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video guys to any of you having a Dodge Charger, and if you need to find the transmission fuses, stay with us, we'll explain that today. You actually have up to 3 fuses on some models, on some you may have only 1 fuse, and one of those is actually hidden. Stay with us until the end, we'll explain where it's located, we'll explain why it's super important to test fuses, because actually that could be the problem, and we'll explain why, so make sure to stay until the end. Before we start, let me tell you a little bit about us guys. Every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. If you have a Dodge Charger, we'll be making even more. We'll be taking it completely apart, we'll be taking that engine apart, transmissions, anything practically, and we'll even have the 5.7 engine coming as well. Now, why we do all that? Because our mission in the shop is to save you as much money as we can. All we need guys in return, please subscribe to the channel, like the video, that way we can keep making these free videos. And if you guys need to buy any parts, tools, fuses, replacement parts, relays for a really good price and quick shipping, check out the link in the description of the video below. That's where we get all our tool supplies from, and you can guys save a ton of money. So let's start on it now. So, we'll be demonstrating on a 3.6 Dodge Charger, but even if you have a different one, procedure is about the same. Now let's talk about if your transmission does not shift, if you have problems with the transmission. We will have a special video that explains why Dodge Charger does not shift, that will teach you guys how to fix your transmission problems. But for the fuses, that will be the first thing I would check. You go ahead here, squish on each side, okay, like that, pull it out. On the back side you have the fuse numbers here, and that layout here corresponds to what we have specifically here. Now we need to check 3 fuses, okay? You may have only 1, you may have all 3 of them, it really depends on the model. The first fuse that you will need to check is known as fuse number guys, F29. We are talking about that 15M fuse right here. This is fuse number 29, automatic transmission, right here, 15M fuse. 1, 2, second one from left to right, third row from top to bottom. The next fuse that you may have guys, it's fuse number 37. 37 is 1, 2, 3. That fuse right here, it's fuse 37. You need to check that one as well. These 2 fuses are in this fuse box. The last fuse that we need to check is actually not in this fuse, it's in the fuse box in the trunk. So let's pop the trunk open and we'll continue. So we're in the trunk here. What you have to do, leave the carpet, okay, and you have the spare tire with the car battery here. And if you see right there, we're going to go ahead, remove the cover, you have the fuse layout. Okay, let me see which way it is. Okay, that way right now corresponds right here to what we have right there. The fuse that we'll need to check is known as fuse number F26 guys, okay, F26, and if you have it, it will be that second fuse right here. Second fuse, 1, 2, second fuse, and usually for that specific year, if you have it, like ours, F26 should be a 15M fuse guys, right there. So hopefully guys the video will be helpful to any of you needing help with that. If you have any more questions, let us know. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching and see you next time.